Yo, welcome back to the channel. This is Marcus FS Garage. Amir's on the phone and he's like, hey, I got this great idea. Let's make a video on straight piping the Ferrari. He's on the phone. All right, so you coming over here to help me, Amir? Look, I have your name as Amir, like Amir Pro for Jafar. So we're gonna straight pipe it with a Spy Garage. So technically, you're straight piping it so that it could just sound really loud and warn away the hackers, right? All right, Amir, you coming over? I'm gonna set it up. We got a lot of cars in here. All right, hurry up. Okay, bye. Zini, you guys remember Zini? Do you remember the camera, Zini? Huh? Zini? Oh, look, he thinks you got in trouble. Did you do something wrong today? You wanna sit? You wanna show them how you can sit? No? What if I give you a yummy? You wanna sit? He's checking, he's like, there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. All right, guys, so we actually picked up this old BMW. It's a 93. We'll talk details later. But if you guys know anything about these cars, this is called an E32. It's actually a 93 740i. So it's got the V8. And this car actually has a lot of history in the Washington, D.C. area. It used to be owned by Jack Kent Cooke, an old Redskins owner. And this was one of his vehicles. As you can see, it's got a little leak here. It's done a lot to it. It's like super dirty. It's been sitting outside. The good thing is that we tested the paint and we started polishing it and it's actually coming back to life. So it actually looks really good. So I got my boy Junior over here helping restore. So this is gonna be one of our projects for the garage. Probably gonna do wheels, suspension, just something cool, just kind of revive it. It actually has really good guts. It's pretty clean on the inside from what you can see. JR cleaned it up, Mr. Ninja over here. I don't know how he does it, but everybody's like, oh, you're never gonna get this clean. And he laughs. He does this little laugh. This thing is actually really clean. It was really dirty when we picked it up. Did you see something? Are you camera shy now? Watch this. Where's your ball? Oh, there he is. Get your ball. Go get it. Get the ball. Go get the ball. All right, so we got a GTS in here. We're working on this car. Buddy just picked it up. I gotta remove this plate. He doesn't like it, which I don't know why they put front plates on. Got a couple cars here Nick's working on. This is a Stealth film wrap for a Plaid. PPF Stealth, XBL Stealth. Nick's been working on this. It actually only takes us like 2, maybe 3 days to do a full Tesla. Pretty quick. That's one person too. So with 2 people, we definitely knock it out in 2 days. Maybe even 1 day with 3 people if we kind of plot everything out. So I'm gonna move the Ferrari. We don't have our lifts in yet, so I wanna move these lifts. These are 4-post, nothing wrong with them. Amazing. Advantage is really taking the old Backyard Buddy lifts and improve them. I even like the colors. Wish they'd have other, options, but we have other lifts coming. We do have the quick jacks, which are basically kind of like Band-Aid jacks. And we ordered some scissor lifts. I want to get a 2-post and I'm actually gonna walk over here and show you where the 2, oh. So I told you I'm not good at like continuing. I get so caught up in the moment. I do miss having a cameraman that actually could just like kind of capture everything. So I get caught in the moment and forget to show the finishing of McLovin. So here it is. So I love it. We took off all the red. We're gonna do something different. Did you find something? Where's Pablo? He's always interrupting. Okay, so we did the blue. These are the film source colors, the FS Garage colors, silver and blue. This color does not pick up the flake on cameras. Most of you guys know there's so much flake in it. I know it's kind of looking overexposed with all those crazy lights that we had Team Sparky put in here. But if you guys see me out, you gotta come check out the wheels. So there it is, there's the McLovin. McLovin's back. Yeah, I know we've always talked about, oh, let me sell it, but I love this car. This is like the reason I started the YouTube channel, and I don't see a reason to kind of get rid of it. Oops, sorry about that, I just hit the camera. I don't see a reason to kind of get rid of it. It's got a new motor, got a lot of parts on it. It looks good. So let's go over here. There's the motor, by the way. McLovin's old motor. So they kind of gave it to me. I don't know what to do with it. Maybe turn it into something, so we want to put a lift here, a 2-post lift here. So it kind of completes our man cave look. There's our little lounge. There's the ball. There's the ball. There it is. You want to play? Oh, never mind. No, you're not supposed to go on the couch. You're not supposed to go up there. What are you doing? Don't. So it's kind of like the lounge area here in the front. You saw from the other videos. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but this is like how much we love the dogs. So we'll walk back over here. If you guys haven't seen this kind of little history car wall here. Grew up a lot with the older cars. Working on the older cars are super simple, but that's kind of how I got into it. I got this cool bag, an army bag. And it even says it's from, I don't know if that's Colonel. I don't know if that's Geo. Let's see, someone's gonna give me crap for this, so I'm gonna wait. Pablo, what are you doing? Pablo's over here, are you sunbathing? You wanna say hi? Wanna say hi to everybody? Say hi. Pablito. Hola. He's good. You wanna come with us? You wanna come with me? All right, so back to this side. I'm gonna move some cars around, get this Ferrari. Oh, you know what? Let's go back over here. I gotta find the street pipes. I don't know where somebody put them. Got a lot of space here. Stuff goes missing. Not people, just stuff. All right, so we got a lot of stuff in the storage room. Yeah, I know. It's like hoarding. I don't know how this got in here. This is Thomas's. Thomas. Where are the straight pipes? A lot of stuff. Oh, look, even toilet paper. Got a hood, got some bicycles. All right, well, I'm gonna be on the hunt for this stuff. Give me like 5 minutes. Actually, it was like 2 seconds. They were right here. So I got these secondhand, and I actually hope, trusting the seller. So, oh, turn the light off here. Trusting that the seller sent the right part. I don't see a reason why. He's actually kind of well known on Ferrari chat, so I'll give him a little shout out. Got the straight pipes. I guess we're just gonna do it on this side. I don't like working on cars on this side because this is where it's all clean. But I guess I could move it over there. No, let's just move it. See, if we move it over here, we got all the cool cars in the background. And I think the quick jacks are already on this side. So I gotta move McLaren. Oh, this is a cool M4 Heritage Edition. I can't even talk right now. I'm going to move the McLaren, probably just stick it over there. Probably work right here, kind of this area. Then move this guy, and yeah. So I'll be back in probably like a second with you guys. It's probably gonna be like maybe 20, 30 minutes. Amir's coming, so hopefully he can help me, you know? All right, so I got it on. I don't wanna leave it too long because it's getting too hot, but it's already loud. See how much louder we can get it. All right, well, that's pretty loud already. See how much more louder we can get it. So I did end up moving it to this side, so. Anyways, I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit. I'm gonna bring the tools over. Just gonna use the quick jacks. We're just gonna remove the back wheels. I was thinking about, I wanna make my life easier, but I was like, I could probably figure out if it wasn't the high flow cats. So right now it has high flow cats, and they're right there, and they bolt through. It's still kind of dark, but they unbolt right there, which I can get all my tools to. I just don't know how I get the cat out, but I was told pull the wheels and it's easier to access through the wheel well, so we'll see. Gonna move everything over, I'll be back again. All right guys, as you can see behind me, I got the, I need a camera, that just doesn't zoom in fast enough. As you guys can see behind me, I have the Ferrari up on the quick jack. It's not by choice, we're just waiting for the lift, so everything's delayed. Here is where we're gonna put a 2-post, like I mentioned before. So it'll be a lot easier to work with, a lot easier to get up. That way we can actually work on the McLaren. Gotta do the driveline damper change on the McLaren, and it like misses at start. It's just kind of something that basically balances the vibration or dampens the vibration in the motor and the transmission. It's called a driveline damper. Oh, looks so cool, these cars back here. So this is the shock we need. So, unboxing the straight pipe. So, now I gotta figure out what's left and what's right. Did you hear somebody? Oh, did I hear somebody at the door? Or am I hearing things? Oh, it's a spy. Hello, are you a spy?
Hey, well,
welcome to the spy. Welcome to the spy garage. Come on, we have the Persian Spy Master.
Yes, we are out here.
All right.
Wow.
Watch out.
Wow.
Watch out, you might have Pablo come around the corner and try to nip at you.
Look at them rims, yo!
So I'm over here working on the Ferrari, and I gotta figure out what pipes go where. So we have right and we have left, and I'm gonna guess, I don't wanna guess, this goes to the back. So, well, we'll pull the other ones out and we'll basically tell. I gotta figure out what's right and what's left. They look like it's the same side almost. Wow, did they send me two? No. All right, one's left and one's right. We'll figure it out once we box it. All right, so now it's unpacked. I noticed, is it on both? It's almost like they welded the bung. Well, the other one, it's like stripped. Oh, great. Okay, so if we're gonna run the front cat, I gotta figure out how to take that off, but not a problem. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the wheels off, get access to the mid pipes or the cats from the side rather than the top. It's not hot, because you can get it to it from here. We might be able to, I mean, we actually probably could have taken it out through here. Pushed it forward, angled it, even over there, I don't know. No, it's kind of fat. Those cats are kind of fat, I don't know. Anyways, make my life easier, I'm gonna do it like this. All right, subscribe, smash the like button so we can buy another camera.